Hello everyone, Sudeep here and welcome back to my new video. If your computer is returning a fatal JavaScript error when you try to open Discord application, then you are watching the right video. I guarantee you that after you watch this video, you will be able to fix your problem. Now let's get started. First, go to Source menu and type Task Manager and run Task Manager as an administrator, and on this window look for Discord. Once you find the Discord option, just right click on it and click on End Task. Once you do this, just close the window and go back to Source menu again and type Control Panel and open the Control Panel. On this window, click on Uninstall a program here, and here look for Discord. Once you find Discord, just right click on it and uninstall it. Once it is uninstalled, close the window and go to Source menu again and type cmd and run command prompt as an administrator. On the command window, type gp update space /force force and hit enter and let the update finish. Once it is successfully completed, just close the window and go to run. For that, simply you can press Windows R on keyboard. On the run menu, type %appdata% and click OK. After that, here look for Discord and delete all the Discord folder you find from here. Once you do that, go back to run menu again and this time type local appdata% and hit OK, and similarly delete the Discord folder from here as well. Once you delete it, just close the window and maybe restart your computer. After you restart it, go to internet browser and download Discord from official website of Discord. And after you download and install it, try to open it, and this should solve your problem. Thank you so much for watching this video.